If you're a Blender creator and you've been thinking about how to get started with visual effects, learning how to work with geometry node, use the simulation node to create interesting stuff, or possibly you just want to learn how to start rigging and animating your characters, or maybe you're into that sphere of learning and understanding how to sculpt and take advantage of the nice sculpting and interesting tools that comes with Blender, then this bundle pack from the folks at Humble Bundle is the right pick for you, as the folks at Humble Bundle, alongside the folks at Game Dev TV, have partnered up to create a very interesting bundle called Game Art in Blender 2024. This allows you to learn all of the tiny and interesting things that you need to know about creating your own stuff. So whether you're thinking about getting started with visual effects, or maybe you like to learn some technical skills that has to do with sculpting, or possibly you want to get started with rigging and animating and you don't want to spend so much money purchasing the courses, then you can now snag all of this and get started with them, as all 15 are currently costing about $1,573 to purchase, but with the bundle you'll be getting this for $27.47 or $22.47. So whether you're thinking about getting started with isometric stuff, or maybe you just want to start creating some assets, or you want to explore any of these new courses that the folks at Game Dev TV has just put out, then this is a wonderful time for you to get it, as all of these are super nice, high quality stuff that you will totally learn a lot of things from. Another interesting thing that is right here is the brushes. So if you work with Blender and probably you like to take advantage of the 70 alpha brushes to start sculpting, then this is also here, as this comprises of organic brushes, scale brushes, and Vim brushes. And this isn't the only pack. There's also another interesting pack that deals with rock and stones. And this comes with 113 alpha brushes that you can now use to start making your sculpt. So whether you're thinking about getting started with sculpting in Blender, or possibly you're looking for some brushes, some materials, or maybe you just want to learn any of these cool and interesting courses that are right here, then this bundle collaboration is one that I would suggest that you hop on. And if you're looking for game bundles, then there's a couple of game bundles that are right here. The Deluxe Dev Dream 3D Unreal Engine and Unity Mega Bundle that comes with 4,000 plus assets is still ongoing, and this comes with a huge set of things. So this is also another massive pack for those who are thinking about getting started with Unreal Engine. So I've already purchased this, we did talk about it, we shared up a couple of things that you guys can get out of it. And if you're interested in getting this currently will be costing about 2,236.69 euros. But because this is Humble Bundle, you will be getting this for about 32.71 or 27.71. And the same thing can also be said for other bundles as well, which includes the Townscape, which comes with about 2,000 plus assets that you can work with. And most of these asset packs comes with both nanite and also low poly versions of the assets, so you can rest easy when creating any stuff that you want. And if you're looking at working with 2D game engines and you're looking for more assets and stuff, then the Game Creator Mega Bundle is your right pick. Actually, you would also be able to get a Game Creator right here, and this is totally cool. So for those who are thinking about getting into gaming, or possibly you want to get started with taking a look at any of these ones that are currently available, then links to all of this will be in the description, so do well to check them out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and of course a huge shout out to the folks at Humble Bundle alongside the folks at Game Dev for making this happen. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.